This is the 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. You half expect it to come wearing an American flag like a cape, smoke pouring out of the rear wheel wells, fireworks exploding overhead, and a bald eagle at the helm. This is pure American muscle. So it comes with no shortage of irony, then, that the Charger SRT8 styling answers the hypothetical question of what a four-door Nissan GT-R might look like. That angry, gaping, all-black fascia may be the modern look of performance, but it's the Japanese who popularized it first. The car's personality makes you quickly forget such musings. Underneath that exterior, it is identical to the 300 SRT8. The same 470 horse, 470 pound-feet, 6.4-liter V8, the same 5-speed automatic, the same adaptive dampening that continually monitors a variety of sensors and adjusts to suit driving needs, the same flat-bottom, thick-rim steering wheel, and the same seats with massive side bolsters that you need to get in red. There is one difference, though. With its suspension tuned along the lines of the Challenger SRT8, the Charger is stiffer. That change doesn't make a dramatic improvement in the test results, but the Charger does feel slightly sharper. It registers a 25.8-second lap around our figure 8 and a 0.89 average lateral G around the skid pad. Both are quite respectable performances from a 4,360-pound sedan, putting it in the ranks of sport coupes like the Genesis Coupe 3.8 Track and Camaro SS. Its best stop from 60 miles per hour takes 112 feet, and though that distance remained consistent, the Grand Cherokee SRT8, which rides on larger Pirelli P0s, stops 6 feet shorter from 60 miles per hour. An acceleration run in the Charger requires little effort. At 4.3 seconds to 60 miles per hour and 12.8 seconds at 111.5 miles an hour through the quarter mile, the Charger bests a Camaro SS and rivals a DCT-equipped M3 sedan. Unencumbered with trivialities like an ending road, the Charger will top out at a drag-limited 175 miles per hour. There is no artificial speed limiter, just as the SRT team likes it. Beyond the aging transmission, our biggest disappointment comes from the hard, cheap-looking plastic that covers the Charger's dash. Then again, its base price undercuts the 300 SRT8 by $1,375, so some minor interior quality decline should be expected. Otherwise, the Charger SRT8 excels at being big, brash, and a wild ball of fun. Or in other words, being a four-door Challenger.